In this video, I'll teach you how to make $60 per hour by watching videos, which is one of the easiest methods to make money online in 2021. The best part is it's absolutely free and it requires no investment, and it is also available from anywhere in the world. You will be the first to use it and make the most money if you stick with me and watch this video to the end. Before we go further, welcome to Socio Media, where we teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. These individuals are making hundreds of dollars for doing nothing more than watching YouTube videos. Isn't that amazing? So first and foremost, I would like you to visit this website, which is followfast.com. Basically, this website allows us to earn money online by simply viewing videos. And if you look at the recent withdrawal history, you will see that people from all over the world are cashing out real money on a daily basis. This website is quite open about how much money you can earn and how much money you may withdraw. So right now, I want you to watch this video and follow every step. Next, I want you to click on this join button, which will take you to a page where you can register and sign up for a free account. Simply fill out your username, email address and password. And then, they will automatically detect your location. Don't worry, they accept people from all around the world. Finally, answer the CAPTCHA and simply click this blue join button. You can do it on your phone or on your computer. This is what your dashboard will look like once you've completed the registration process. Now, I want you to click on this YouTube button right here. As you can see, it has plays, dislikes, and subs. So click on plays and it will lead you to this page where you can view YouTube videos and earn money online. Now pay great attention. In order to gain points, you must watch the videos for at least 35 seconds. When you earn points, you can exchange them for real money. In this case, when you watch this video, you'll earn this amount of points. So all you have to do is click on this play button and it'll take you to the YouTube video. When you return to followfast.com, you'll notice that they start the countdown for 35 seconds. Once this goes from 35 to 0, you'll earn points, which means you don't have to watch the video. Simply pause the video, return to the website, and wait 35 seconds, as simple as that. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Now, these are the points that you'll earn by watching this video. So simply click on play button and it'll take you to YouTube where you can pause the video because you don't have to watch it. And then go back to the website and wait for 35 seconds. And these points will be automatically added to your balance. Now, because this is so simple and easy, you may watch as many videos as you like. I want to give you another additional tip where you can earn double or even triple your money. So for example, if you're going to watch this video, to earn this numerous points, you can open a new tab on your phone or computer and watch another video to earn more points. Because you can watch both videos at the same time. Which means you don't have to wait 35 seconds to watch one video. And you can do this as many times as you want, so you can earn more points. Now this is a pretty cool and efficient technique to view 10 to 20 videos at once. By watching a lot of YouTube videos, you may make a lot of money, much faster than other people. So when you're watching YouTube videos, click on the gear icon, and make sure that you actually play the videos quicker by increasing the playback speed from regular to double. Another hint is when you click on quality, it's set to auto by default. If you have a slow internet connection or a limited data plan, you may choose 144p, which is the lowest video quality possible, and that will save you a lot of time and data. That way, you may watch more videos in less time and earn more money. Now let's move on to the next tip. When you click on daily bonus, you'll be taken to a website where you can claim daily or even hourly bonus points every day. Earn bonus points by logging in and doing 15 likes or hits. To earn bonus points, all you have to do is check into your account every day and watch at least 15 videos in order to earn at least 100 daily points. If you want to cash out your earnings, simply click on this cash out button. And you'll be taken to a page where you can select a payment method, such as PayPal, Perfect Money, or Bitcoin. If you don't have any of these payment methods, don't worry, you can cash out on a variety of other payment methods. This is how it works. You gain points by watching videos, and then you can convert those points into real money. The best thing is they only cost $1.50 as payment thresholds. This means that you only need to earn $1.50 to cash out your earnings. Once you earn $1.50, you can request a payout, and then wait for 3 to 5 business days to receive your money. This is a simple way for you to make money online, and only a few people are aware of it. So take advantage of it. And that's it. If you want other methods to make money online, there are 2 videos on your screen right now. Check them. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.